Hey, what's up? I'm Colleen. Welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who is enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I'm bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this little pumpkin inspired orange eyeshadow look. I know it's something like super spectacular, but I thought it was really fun. And with this time of year, it's just, it's great. Halloween is tomorrow, so if you're looking for something easy to do that, is not crazy, maybe you can like go out and stuff. I feel like this is something that's cool. I work with kids, so I can do my eyeshadow like kind of really fun and stuff for work. So I always forget that a lot of times like you can't do certain looks at like certain jobs, because I have a job that's like really cool and I'm able to express myself with my makeup and everything. Not that I do like something super crazy, but I do sometimes wear like a lot of color. Like I would totally wear this to work. So anyway, what I used to create this look was Colourpop's Orange Glad palette, and I also used a single shadow from Amy Hart's Beauty called Orb, and it's this one right here. It's from their Spirit Family limited edition collection. Fortunately, that collection is no longer available, but if it was, I would say get it. It's amazing. It's such a beautiful color. So I don't know what you guys like to do for Halloween, but like what I like is I really just like hanging out. I like carving pumpkins, opening the door, giving candy to kids. I'm not like into super scary things. Like I do not like haunted houses or anything like that. I'm not big in jump scares. I don't like scary movies. And a lot of the times it's because of the violence too, but like haunted houses, just no, because they're like jump scares and it's crazy. But I'm always like interested in them. So like I've been watching like ride-throughs on haunted hayrides on YouTube of like people's things, which is pretty cool, but it's still kind of creepy, and it just validates the fact that I could never go on one of those. Like I'd probably end up punching one of the actors because I'd be like so freaked out and I'd feel so bad. But it's so amazing the work that goes into those and the detailing. It's really creepy and really cool. So props to them, and props to the people that aren't too scared to go on those. Also the actors, like I'd be scared like having to stay in the one section all the time, like with the freaky stuff, like because I'm just a big baby. Like I tried to close my eyes in the Haunted Mansion at Disney and my brother was like, you're an adult, and I'm like, my eyes are not closed, and he's like, I can clearly see that they are. I did open them and I wasn't really scared, so but yeah, I don't know what it is, but I like also love like ghosts and witchy like stuff, so I don't know. I'm like a walking contradiction when it comes to Halloween type of stuff. And when I say like a walking like contradiction, I mean I get like so freaked out by like ghosts and like supernatural kind of stuff, but at the same time it like totally fascinates me. I will sit and I will watch like stupid lists on YouTube of like top 10 scariest like ghost encounters and this and that, and like totally believe in that stuff. I don't know if you guys do, but like I've had ghost experiences that I cannot explain any other way other than it was something otherworldly. I mean, that's just like, some people believe in it, some people don't, some people are like mixed, it's a really interesting topic. It's just so fascinating because there's so many things that you just cannot explain away with science. And there's such like a thin line between science and magic, kind of supernaturally sort of stuff. It's just really cool. I don't know why I am rambling on. Yeah, let's just stop and get into how I created this look. Alright, so to start this look off, I just prime my eyes, and you can use any primer, concealer, whatever works for you, or no concealer, primer, whatever you want to do. And to start off, I'm just going to go into the Colourpop Orange Glad palette, and I'm going to go into the color Rise and Grind, just on a fluffy brush. I'm just going to apply that big shocker to my crease and socket area. That's kind of like I don't know. I honestly don't know what I was gonna say there. And I'm just gonna go back and forth with it until the color is kind of off the brush. I think this is a really pretty orange. It's got a little bit of a red undertone to it, but I think it's really pretty. It does remind me of like a really bright orange pumpkin. And then I do have to go in with a blending brush. Okay. So for under my brow bone, I'm just going to take a little bit of the color Zested on a pencil brush. And I am just going to apply it to my brow line. And it is rather orangey, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to also use the color Orb from Amy Hearts Beauty. It's from their Spirit Family limited edition collection. These colors are so amazing. They're like the true definition of like iridescent color shifting. They're just absolutely gorgeous. This is like a gold. Because you gotta have some sparkle for Halloween. And then I'm just gonna take the brush that I had Rise and Grind on and just go in and kind of blend them out together. That. I just want to show you guys. This is what Orb looks like. It's like that, and then when you swatch it, it's like a gold, but it looks white. It's just, they're gorgeous. I'll have to put them in another video and show you all 5 of them because they are absolutely amazing. I really like that brand. They have nice quality products and they're not crazy expensive, and they just have unique, because they're an indie brand, they have like a nice unique selection of eyeshadows. I actually want to take a little more of Orb and I want to put it here because I feel like it's again lacking. It looks kind of weird on the angle in the video, but yeah. So then I am actually going to take just my base and I'm going to just put it on the back of my hand. Just like a little bit. That might even be too much. And I'm just going to take a flat shadow brush like this, and I'm going to apply it to my mobile lid. And I'm going to bring it out a little bit too, kind of give it a wing. So just like that, and then I'm going to take another flat shadow brush and I'm going to go into the color Tangerine Dreams on the bottom here, and I'm going to apply it everywhere I applied my base. Like that. And then I just want to take a little bit of Rise and Grind, and a very little bit, and just kind of go over where they meet. it looks like that. That's with the green eyeliner. And then I'm just going to take a green eyeliner pencil. This one happens to be from Natasha Denona, but you can use obviously any green eyeliner. And you can use any orange colors for this too. This is just like, this is what I had of like the most orange, so I figured why not. And I really like that palette. And I can't do this one-handed, so I will be right back. So all I did with the green eyeliner was I just went across right above my eyelashes and kind of just pulled it out a tiny bit. This is what kind of gives like a viney kind of vibe to the look. Then I just put some black eyeliner under my eye, and to finish everything off, I'm going to go back into the color Rise and Grind on a little brush, and I'm just going to apply it under my lower lash line. I would have liked to apply the green to my waterline, but I'll be honest, I don't like the way it writes on your waterline. It's great on my mobile lid, but it writes terrible on the waterline. Maybe I'll do just gonna burn it out a tiny bit. Then I'm just going to take, where did I put my pencil brush? My pencil brush, I'm gonna go back into that color Orb from earlier, that really iridescent one from Amy Heart's Beauty, and I'm going to apply that to my inner corner. Just like that, to give it like a real, like a real pop of sparkle. Then I just want to apply mascara to my lower lash line. So this is the whole look done right here. It was just a quick, easy little like pumpkin inspired look for Halloween. I think it's really, really cute. I really liked the way it came out. It actually came out better than I was anticipating that it would. I don't know why I was thinking that it would come out bad, but I think I always tend to do that to myself. So as always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face and the palette and everything below, just in case you're interested, along with my Twitter handle and my Instagram handle. If you want to follow me there, I do post like daily things there. So I think that's it. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I know it was short and sweet, which is probably good because I tend to like kind of ramble on about nothing. But here once again is this little pumpkin inspired eyeshadow look. So if you like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really liked it, feel free to subscribe. If not, that's totally fine. If you're just passing through, thanks for even giving me the click. If you didn't like it, that's cool too. I still wish you guys really well, sending you positive vibes. So from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic Halloween and rest of the week. And I'll see you guys soon. Remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye. Happy Halloween.